They found a guy buried alive up to his neck 3 days after the flood. They went to go pull him out. He said, "Leave me here, let me die." They said, "Why?" He said, "My family's dead, I know it." Rescue workers reply, "We're finding lots of people that have been missing for several days. They're probably still alive." He said, "No, I know they're dead." They were buried below me and stopped scratching my leg 3 days ago. That. Why is that not being covered by the media? If there is a single story to summarize the devastation of this event on the people, this is it. And why is it not being covered?